Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі друзі! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson, I'm going to teach you about the mysterious particle «ж» in Ukrainian language and actually how to use it. But before we start, you know that you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. Ну що, почнімо. Let's get started. While it is still warm in the UK, I decided to record this video outside, but unfortunately it's not sunny. It is cloudy. Сьогодні не сонячно. Сьогодні пасмурно. Так, let's recall the weather vocabulary. Так, okay, but let's come back to our topic. So you know, in Ukrainian language we have such letter as «ж» in the alphabet. «Ж». We pronounce it as English letter S in such words as pleasure, measure, j, j, j. Please repeat after me, j. Okay, but we use this letter as the particle in the sentences, and its function is to make your speech more juicy, to make it more emotional, to emphasize on something, or when you want to pay attention to to the object in your speech. So let's make some examples, and I think it will be clear for you. For example, you know the question word «що». So if you say «що», it means what? «Що». But if you say «що ж», if you add this particle, we can't translate it literally into English because you don't have an equivalent particle in English. But how we can translate it? Що ж, so what, so well, що ж. Let's make the full sentence. Що ж, я цього не знала про тебе. So what, I didn't know that about you. Що ж, ж, you put emphasis on it. Or for example, я ж тобі казала, I told you that. Я ж тобі казала, I told you that. So let's compare how we would pronounce the sentence without this emotional particle ж. Я тобі казала. Я ж тобі казала. One more time. Я тобі казала. I told you. Я ж тобі казала. I told you. А ти мене не послухав. And you didn't listen to me. Добре. Або also sometimes we can add a vowel to this letter, and you can ask why. Of course, you know that Ukrainian language is very phonetical, and we want to make it more beautiful. Therefore, we can add sometimes vowels to the consonants. Okay, what is this noise? Oh my god, guys, it happens all the time. When I start recording videos, there was some extra noise outside. The dog starts barking, or the neighbor starts doing something noisy in the garden, or the plane flies upon my head. Okay, let's come back. Як же я тебе люблю. I love you so much. Як же я тебе люблю. It's difficult to say як ж я тебе люблю. Therefore, we can add sometimes this vowel e. Як же я тебе люблю. I love you so much. Так? Okay. So guys, please make up your own sentences using this particle ж. Write them in the comments below. It's your homework and I would like to check it out. By the way, how do you like my t-shirt? Made in Ukraine. You can buy it on my charity store, buy a t-shirt, Save Ukrainian Alive. All profit is sent to my Kherson volunteers. If you want to learn Ukrainian language very well, then welcome to my online school Speak Ukrainian. At the website speaky.com you can find lots of courses, textbooks, flashcards. You can take one-on-one individual lessons with the professional native teachers. In my team I have 13 professional teachers. Can you imagine that? I'm so very happy to have them and to help Ukrainian women to have work in these horrible times. Please subscribe to my Instagram account Speak Ukrainian Language. Thank you so much for supporting my content, for your donations. I appreciate it so much. Дуже дякую, ваша вчителька Інна, і слава Україні!